Good morning, everybody. Gonna be washing out some shirts and some onesies. Everybody come along for the ride. Gonna see what we got. Giant laces.
This one's pretty okay already.
Yep. It's coming out where it doesn't have any thickeners in it, and that's why the dye coming out of this one is not as...
Well, and it was a single color one that I just sort of...
Single color sprinkled too, not soaked, so... This is an experiment for sure. Alrighty, folks. To the inside.
Or should we do this third one real quick?
Yeah, let's go ahead and take them inside. We'll unband these and toss them.
Or you want me to do it in order? Does it matter? Oh, cool.
Look at that.
Sweet, dude.
That came out really good, man.
That came out exactly how I wanted
Yeah,
it to.
that's what you said you wanted. Awesome. Let's see the other side. Cool.
Neat.
Yeah, that came out real good. Really, really good. It's a long sleeve too.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do very many long sleeves. Sleeves came out real good.
Right.
Look at that.
You see how it's like the same pattern. The pattern continues.
The whole way down the sleeve.
Yeah. They got a few specks of blue on it from, I guess, the dye rack.
The dye rack, yeah.
But that's okay. Yeah, Granny and Glacier were the last two in the basket.
Granny and Glacier.
Yeah, so I know that's the last two.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Long sleeve onesie. Sleeves came out really good too, as you see. Yeah. Looks pretty good. I believe this one will be for sale. Check it out on Etsy if you're interested. But yeah, came out pretty good. Her attempt at a one color and it came out real well. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.